So you may have visited Las Vegas.
But did you know you can live right here in the Las Vegas Strip?
So as you know, Las Vegas has over 2 miles of world-class casinos, resorts, and restaurants.
But did you also know that there's high-rise living right here on the Las Vegas Strip? There's 5-star, 5-diamond living all up and down the Strip. You can live at the MGM Signature, City Center, Turnberry Place, and many other high-rise units. We're actually going to take you guys on a tour of a high-rise unit.
We're going to meet one of our good friends and incredible agents here in Vegas, Rexlin Wahlberg, right there in the Veer Tower on one of the top floors.
This is going to be awesome. Stay tuned for this. Look at this place.
Hi, ladies.
Ladies, how are you? Hi.
So nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Agnes.
Nice to
Hello.
see you.
I'm so excited to see this unit, so let's not waste any time. I'm ready to go.
Let's do it.
All right.
Can't wait to see this unit.
Look at this. Here we are.
Okay.
Let's check this place out.
Interesting.
All right, all right.
And then open.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
That's the money shot right there.
Walk in. All right.
Money shot.
So this is why this is $1 million plus unit right here.
Right here.
Kind of
This view.
speaks for itself.
It does. Full shot of the City Center area. Look at this, New York, New York.
The roller coaster. Waldorf Astoria.
Lane, I can see your
Waldorf.
house. No, I'm just kidding.
Mom.
Where?
Mom.
Where off in the distance?
So in this whole area, like this is my kitchen, living room.
Yeah, it's however you want to do it. You can put a table here. You can do one of those movable islands.
Maybe like set up a TV. I hate to put a TV and block the windows.
Maybe one coming down from the ceiling.
Okay, now we're thinking luxury. Now we're thinking high end.
Remote
I like
control comes down or up.
Oh, up into the person's unit below us?
Yeah.
They can sacrifice, right.
You know.
It's
Cool.
pretty dark in here. Does this whole place have blackout shades against these huge windows?
It does. Has blackout shades and they're on a remote.
Nice.
Wow.
And another shade that's you can see through. So.
So a couple things I love. Obviously, I love the modern Euro style cabinets.
So to me, this looks like it's a dual purpose area. Like right here in the main room, I'm gonna have living room, couch, kitchen, but maybe could kind of be whatever you want.
It is. It's however you want to do it.
If you want to scooch everything out, you can have a dance party in here.
I like that. Party on the Strip. So how many bedrooms is this unit?
It has 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms. Okay.
1381 square feet.
Okay. And we're listed at what price?
1.1 million.
1.1 million. Where's the master bedroom for that price?
This is where the magic happens.
Let's check it out.
Show us.
So the tile floors carry through to the master, which is super nice.
Yes.
And look at your view.
You're
And,
right.
Of course, another fantastic view of the Aria.
So right from you are basically you kind of center your bed in the room right here and you'd have Strip or Vegas views right from the bed.
And from the top.
Right, not only from the bed, but from the bathtub, of course.
I think there's a little to say about the bathtub, right?
Oh, this bathtub.
So, Rex is a well-known agent here in Las Vegas, and her thing is kind of hanging out in bathtubs for all of her listings.
Yes, check out her Instagram and you will see her in multi-million-dollar properties.
Here she goes.
Always
There
testing
she goes.
tubs.
We can't get her out of it.
Now speaking of, hit the light right behind you. Speaking of, for a master bathroom in this size of a unit, this is pretty nice. The tub separate from the shower, which is really nice. Even though the space is very efficient, still able to fit a dual vanity back here in this master bathroom.
It's really a nice space for a
Yeah.
1,400 square foot unit.
Absolutely.
In a high-rise building, because as you know, sometimes units in these high-rises can be super small and cramped. This one's really bright and it feels like there's a lot of room for the size.
Yeah, speaking of rooms, Rex, why don't you show us the next bedroom?
Let's go zoom
All
out.
right.
So the secondary bedroom has just as good of a view as the master bedroom, which is super cool.
Yes. You can see all these pools.
Look at all these people partying in the pools here.
It's only fitting that a place in this building and being up this high on this floor is going to have excellent views from every angle.
Absolutely. You're living in the heart of Las Vegas.
I like this.
I like
Sweet.
this unit.
Yeah. And you know, a little benefit, I'm just thinking of this now, the sun in Vegas is pretty brutal. So right on the edge here, you'd think like, man, that glass is gonna heat up, but this faces directly south. So the sun's actually gonna go over you, so it's actually positioned pretty well.
It is.
Correct.
Speaking about the sun in Vegas, there's a lot of people out here that I could see partying in the pools of all these hotels. Is there a pool here?
All right, all right.
You think that's amazing? Let me show you. The pool here is on the rooftop.
On the rooftop?
Yes.
We gotta see that.
Let's go check it out. Come on. Wow.
So we're back down here in the unit. Man, the pool upstairs was awesome.
It's not just the pool though, like everything seems amazing about this building. What else can you expect if you maybe were to move in here?
Well, as you saw in the beginning, when you got here, there's valet, the concierge, a media room, the exercise room, all of this. But do you know what the best an amenity is?
What is it?
Let's show him, Rex.
This is what's exciting about living in the heart of Vegas. Walking distance to this 5-star hotel.
Rex, Agnes, thank you so much for touring with us today. It was so much fun to see the beer unit and everything the Strip has to offer. This was cool.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jesse Landon. It was a pleasure meeting you guys as well. We had a blast showing you the unit.
We all had a great time, so I'd say cheers to that.
Cheers. Cheers.
Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour we took you on today. If you have any questions for us, the Boeckle Brothers, or Rex and Agnes, please drop us a comment below and we'll do our best to get back to you. But until then,
We'll see you on the flip side.